Now we introduce the test method of compressive strength of cement concrete. Firstly, the instruments and equipment used in this experiment are introduced, and the accuracy of the press is the first level. The failure load of the test piece shall be 20% to 80% of the whole process of the press and the upper and lower bearing. Plates shall be flat and have sufficient rigidity. The plane size shall not be less than the size of the test piece, and the anti-cracking mesh shall be set around the test piece. Now turn on the power supply, check whether the instrument operates normally, and turn on the oil pump to preheat for 15 minutes. Start the test. First, check the indoor temperature and humidity. The current temperature is 21.3 degrees Celsius and the relative humidity is 50%. This is the concrete compressive strength specimen just taken out of the curing room. Take 3 test blocks made and cured in the same period and under the same conditions as a group. Check the size and shape of the test blocks, and the 2 opposite sides should be parallel. Measure the edge length to be accurate to 1 mm. Keep the original humidity of the test piece before damage, and dry the surface of the test piece during the test. Now start to do the compressive destructive test. Open the software and adjust the test parameters. The loading rate shall be selected according to the provisions of the table. Place the test piece on the bearing plate. When it has been formed, the side surface is the upper and lower pressure surface. The center of the test piece shall be geometrically aligned with the press. The upper bearing plate shall be lowered to contact with the top surface of the test piece. The mesh cover shall be closed, and click to run. The first specimen failed. Remove the damaged test piece, clean the bearing plate with a brush, and reset the instrument. Next, continue to use the same steps to do the compression test on the remaining 2 specimens, and do not repeat the demonstration here. This is the data we got through this experiment. The figure on the right is the time chart of compressive load. The compressive strength is calculated according to the following formula, and the data shall meet the provisions of Article 1 and Article 2. The test is over. Thanks for watching.